Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. We're trying to reach 3K and there is a giveaway linked with that, linked down below. If you are interested, multiple winners, Jeffree Star products, blah, 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 blah. And there are there's other information down there if you're interested. But let's get into this thing. So this is the box by fashionsta. I think it's 20 bucks, or did they up it to 25? I don't know. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen if I can find that information. I just generally don't keep track. Now, I did read an email that I think said this was the March's box in June, and they were sending this one and not June's box. I'm not entirely sure. Hopefully there will be some information in here about it. I don't know. But this came today and I just needed to sit down and record it. Nightgown, a messy ponytail and all. But I was excited because I haven't gotten one of these in a while. So let's see what is in the box by fashionsta. So I open it up and this is what I see. It does tell you what the products are and it gives you the prices. Let me read this real quick. So it says, we've decided to pause our June box to be certain we come back in July with the best and most amazing products and faster shipping and service. You will not be charged for June, and all subscriptions will resume in July. If you have a prepaid month, your subscription will extend to the number of months you have prepaid. Okay. You were not charged for your April or May box, and we hope you enjoy these March, now technically May goodies, although it's June. If you have any questions, okay, so that explains a lot. That's great. And then, you get this. So the first thing I am pulling out is a Double Dare 2-in-1 Soothing Mask Kit. Jet Super Hydrating Mask Kit. So you've got step 1, smoothing microfiber towelette, and then super hydrating soothing mask. It is in the evening here. I'm not sure what this looks like as far as lighting is concerned. It's like the sun is like super bright in my eye right now. So I hope that the video turns out okay, but let's see. The 2-in-1 soothing mask retails for $9. It's not bad. The next thing I am pulling out is Herbal Dynamics Beauty Clean and Calm Cucumber and Blue Lotus Micellar Water. And that is what that looks like. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it and smell it or anything like that. That retails for $16. And it's a micellar water. It cleans your face. So, I will probably pass that along. I stick to my tried and true fresh products as far as cleansing my face. So I'll probably just pass that along so one of you guys can get use out of it. The next thing I am pulling out is by Savanti Beauty, and it is a Marvel Elixir. It was already open. Ooh, I like that bottle. That is really, really beautiful. Let's see. This is, so it's a Savanti Marvel Elixir, a multi-purpose hybrid formula that is both a primer and a beauty oil. I don't put a lot of oils on my face. Fast absorbing, lightweight. I will try it though. Firmer, plumper, I'll try it. And it retails for $54. If I hadn't said that, I really love that packaging. I will definitely give that a try, especially this summer. I think, I mean, if it says it's lightweight, if it's lightweight, that would be great, because that's really the only type of oil I would put on my face. And if I put it on my face and it's heavy, it'll go to waste. But that's not bad. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is Bye Bye Germs. Ooh, all right, cool. Hand sanitizer. That's a good product to be in here. I wonder if that was pre-planned. That's interesting. That's a really good purse size too. I like that. I mean, even before all the crap that has gone down, I always carried hand sanitizer in my purse, always. Let's see. It retails for $5.50. That's cool. I super happy since, you know, nobody can buy it anywhere, pretty much. So super, super happy. I have one in my purse that's about halfway gone right now, so that will replace it when it is completely gone. The next thing I am pulling out is Coral Reef, or by Coral Reef. That's the packaging. It's cute. Let's see. Is it a lipstick? Oh, the color is Coral Reef, not the brand, sorry. The brand is Emily Alexandra. That is really pretty packaging. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a sketch on it of a mermaid. That is so cool. Can you see that? It has like fish or mermaid scales, if you will. Can you see that? My light is blinding me right now. Can you guys see that? I can't tell in the monitor if it's coming out clear. It's a pretty color. It is coral with maybe, generally coral doesn't go too well with my skin tone since I am so pale, but that looks like it might have orange undertones, so that might be okay for me. I'll keep it for sure. Let's see, retails for $18. It's vegan and cruelty-free, ocean-friendly, water-resistant. Oh, that's cool. Sunscreen ingredients. Cool. Yeah, for sure, totally. I hope that the color goes okay on my skin tone, but ooh, okay. And last but not least, I'm pulling out a palette. I feel like I haven't seen a palette in a really long time. So this is Alondra Desi Glam Light. So this is what the packaging looks like. I don't know who she is. I don't know who she is, but that's her. Let's see. And the palette retails for $38. She's a professional MUA. She's always wanted to create a palette. That's really all it says. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. It is cruelty-free and vegan. I just read the print in the black, and because my glasses are pink, I couldn't really see the pink writing right there. That's kind of funny. I'm amusing myself. Ooh, okay. So that is a really nice velvet texture. Ooh, am I gonna keep it? Am I gonna keep it? I'm gonna keep it. When's the last time you heard me say that about a palette? Those are pretty. I'm really liking this mustard color over here. It's called Sunshine, and then I'm really liking this cotton candy color here. Rosé all day. That is really pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I mean, there are some. So I feel like this palette is neutral, but I feel like it has a little bit more of a flare than just neutral. You know what I mean? Like this Selena right here. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna do a couple swatches. Let's do a couple swatches. So let's do Rosé all day. We'll just do a couple. I don't want to make a huge mess. We are in the middle of binging a show right now. That's pretty. And let's do the Sunshine, that mustard color that I was talking about. It's looking a little chalky, but that's not bad. It's probably buildable. Let's see. Okay, I'm happy with it. And let's look at this cotton candy. That's satin. Can you see that? That's really pretty. I hope you guys can see this. I'm not used to recording. That looks a little patchy. I mean, actually, physically. Yeah, that's a little patchy, but let's see if it's buildable. That was cotton candy, right? Yep. Let me actually put this down and go like this. Oh yeah, it's buildable. Okay, that's cool. I'm happy with that. All right, that's all I'm going to swatch. I liked this box. I'm happy with this box. I do need to wash my hands because my wipes are no longer in this room. But I'm happy with it, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it took you out of your space for a little bit today, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.